Hello and welcome to Nowhere. My name is Trish and I'm the creator behind Nowhere Novelties. In my last tutorial, I finally took a shot at creating resin pens. And while it may not have gone as smoothly as I wanted to, I wanted to include a tumbler and pen matching set for a tutorial for you guys. Veterans Day is just a few days away, and I wanted to create a really cool pen and tumbler set perfect for our veterans who have served our country. So today I am designing this bullet style tumbler with ripped Constitution pages and a distressed flag, as well as a matching flag pen with smoke effect. This one really is beautiful, and I hope it speaks volumes for those who have served our country. If you're ready, let's strap in and shoot for the stars. Okay guys, this is a 32 ounce bullet style tumbler. It is from Hog, and I got it from Stainless Steel Depot. So here I am prepping my popsicle stick and masking tape for the smoke method. I've shown this on my channel before. Basically, I just wrap a popsicle stick with masking tape, light it on fire with some water close by, the fire hazard, and just let that dark smoke transfer onto the cup and create that cool smoke effect. I'm also going to do a quick smoke effect on a base painted pen blank as well. I was pretty confident in my base layer of paint, so I decided to go right in with these stickers. This is just printable vinyl that I printed out these SVGs of the ripped Constitution. I did get them off of Etsy, so I'll have that linked down in the description box. I had laid these out in Create Design Space, so I knew that they would fit on the cup, but I was dumb and forgot that on the computer, when I laid these out, I overlapped this top We the People and this second sticker. So I had to lift up the first sticker that I put down, which was fine. It didn't cause any damage to the sticker or the base paint, and then I was able to keep going with my application. My vision for this cup was kind of like a tattered flag or a ripped flag kind of look, and I knew I wanted it to go on a diagonal, which is why I am kind of laying the stripes of these kind of ripped pages on an angle as well, leaving gaps in between because I knew that's where I wanted my painted pieces to go. I did apply a single coat of epoxy over these decals before painting. So I cut out a few star shapes that were about an inch tall from my Cricut Design Space and applied those on the cup first so that I could create a peekaboo effect. I knew I wanted stars on the cup somehow, so I figured a peekaboo kind of application would be my best bet. So I'm just using really typical blue and red acrylic paints for my stars and stripes. So I have a dry chip brush here. I'm getting a very small amount of paint on that chip brush. I'm even kind of dabbing the excess off onto a paper towel and then using just the tip of the brush to go over and create that really tattered look. I concentrated the blue towards the top of the cup, kind of creating its own section, and then added stripes, so to speak, of red along the bottom 2/3 of the cup. I think it turned out really cool in the long run. And just like with any other peekaboo, I went in after the paint was dried and removed the vinyl. Now, I used 651, Oracal 651, which is permanent vinyl, and it did end up scraping some of the paint off. So at the very end of the video, you'll actually see that the red and the blue are actually kind of different colors than these ones here that you see, because I did actually end up going in and redoing both of the paint colors because I didn't really like the tone of the blue or the red that I applied here. And the good thing is that since this cup was already epoxied, I was able to actually take off all the paint. But in this next clip, you'll see me just cleaning up with a little bit of alcohol around the top rim and around like the actual stickers, so that none of the paint streaks are actually on the stickers. It creates like a much cleaner look. Now I know you're probably saying, Trish, didn't you say we're doing a matching tumbler and pen? Well, let's get back to the pen. I have a layer of UV epoxy over the base paint and smoke design, and this is a clear cast decal. I knew it was going to be a little bit too big for the pen, so I concentrated on getting the blue star portion of the flag on first, and then I did trim off, I think, like a stripe or two because it didn't, need to wrap all the way around the pen. This pen got a single coat of regular 2-part epoxy to finish it out, and the cup got our regular 2 coats of final epoxy, and both of them are done. This set is amazing. I really love the look, and I hope you do too. I hope to see y'all real soon. Bye now.